Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Shadow Fight 2 and I'm going to show you guys that how you can get unlimited gems and coins with this mod, which I find it out, which is pretty simple and very easy, and it worked very good in my game, guys, and I'm going to show you immediately. And I decided to show you step by step in this tutorial that how you can get it also, if you want all the ways to get it also, you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of the game, how it looks with this mod. Okay, as you can see right over here, guys, I have so many gems and coins, and everything works very good for me. Okay, so just go to the menu and we can go, for example, to buy something. Okay, we can buy this ones. All right, this is locked. Okay, we check here, for example, we can buy it. Okay, because we have a lot of money, so we can try a gameplay just to show you that everything is working and running perfectly for me, guys. Okay, so this mod, guys, it's pretty simple to get it, and it's working on both devices, iOS and Android. Today I decided to show you the steps with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android, but the same steps are working also for the Android users. Okay, sorry, for the iOS users. I already tested on my iPhone. Right now I'm recording with it, and if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, just let me know in the comments below, guys, and I'm going to make a tutorial also for the iOS users. Okay, but the steps, as I mentioned before, are the same, so I don't think you're going to face any problem with it. But anyway, for any kind of reasons you might have, I will do a tutorial for you guys. Okay, so I'm not going to stay too much inside of the game. Okay, I just win the game. Okay, so as you can see, everything is running and working perfectly for me, guys. So I'll just go immediately to show you what you have to do in order to get this mod. Okay, and just to show you, this is a real game, guys, and I'm just going to show you the app info. As you can see, it's not any video or something. All right, but anyway, so guys, before we start the loading process of this mod, just make sure you're gonna have a good connection with internet. It will be good you get connected with Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time, so the whole process doesn't interrupt. You can be done correctly. Okay, so all you have to do after, you just need to go to your internet browser, guys. You can use any kind of internet browser. This is for the both devices, for the iOS and Android the same. You just need to go to the searching bar, search about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys immediately, and I'm going to focus it for you. Here we are. You just enter inside of this website, guys. Just a couple of seconds to get connected with the main page, and I'll show you what you have to do next. Okay, here we are. You just go immediately to the searching bar. You don't lose time to find the scrolling. Just go to the searching bar, search about the game. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, Shadow Fight 2. Here it is. All right, here we are. And you just press in the middle and then press the green sign, download now, and just wait a couple of seconds, the loading process to be done. And by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod, guys, which is start to generate the gems and coins, same as it did it to me. Okay, so guys, this is my video tutorial for today. I hope it was helpful and useful. And before we leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Okay, I just wanted to tell you, because I don't forget later on, if to happen to somebody of you that that in the end of the process is requiring an extra step, and this is because of the region where you are located, guys. Okay, and if it's going to happen, just complete what is required. You're going to be able to get it also, you. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.